In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Brother color printer, which is the HL-3220CDW or HL-3230CDW, probably many other models as well. So you're going to go on the control panel, make sure the printer is turned on, and with these buttons over here, up and down, we're going to navigate through the main menu. So I'll use the the lower button here. Okay, press it a few times until you see printer appearing on the screen. Then press the OK button once. Press the down button again, and I'll have to press it a few times. Oh, you see over here, reset printer. Okay, once you see reset printer, press OK. And now we need to press the up arrow to confirm this reset. You see default settings on the screen, and this is about it. We can now exit the menu by pressing the cancel button, and the printer has been resetted. You will have to reconfigure the Wi-Fi and connect it to your devices, since the printer is basically like new. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like. Subscribe, check my Amazon links if you need new toner for your Brother color printer. You support my channel this way, and I'll see you in the next video.